Here's a cursed thought. Astronauts aren't heroic space gods. They're basically sleep-deprived interns hurtling around Earth at 17,000 miles per hour, living in a floating apartment and pretending everything's fine. Your job is stressful. Theirs is don't mentally collapse or everyone dies. Oh, and by the way, gravity misses them. They definitely notice. Let's get right into it. Number 9. Microgravity brain drama. Your blood decides it's had enough of the normal rules and floats up into your skull like it's trying to claim real estate. Your face puffs up, your eyes look a little squinty, and your brain thinks, cool, maybe we'll just float around in here like a confused Roomba. Your vestibular system, the part of your inner ear that tells you which way is up, basically goes on strike. Astronauts spend the first few days feeling like a seasick water balloon in zero-G, which sounds fun until you realize that's literally your life now. NASA calls it normal adaptation. Your brain calls it, why did I sign up for this? Number 8. Sensory deprivation blues. On Earth, there's always background noise, birds, cars, distant arguing neighbors, someone mowing the lawn at 7 a.m. In space, dead silence. Eerily controlled silence, like a coffin that got a very expensive makeover. So your brain decides, I'll create the soundtrack myself. Auditory hallucinations pop up, beeps, hisses, random whooshes. Suddenly, your neurons are hosting a jazz festival for one. Your brain is basically trolling you, proving boredom is a serious cosmic hazard. Number 7. The sleeping while floating. Curse. Ever get that weird sensation when you're falling asleep and feel like you're falling? Astronauts live in that every night, except it's real. No floor, no pillow, no blanket. Just you, drifting, strapped into a sleeping bag on a wall like some kind of kidnapped burrito. You wake up and your body panics. Did we die? Are we floating forever? Is this fine? Spoiler, mostly fine. But gravity has nothing to do with your sense of security anymore. If weighted blankets existed in space, astronauts would hoard them like gold. Number 6. Existential pressure cooker. On Earth, if you're stressed, you might take a walk, binge-watch something, or scream into your pillow. In space, outside is vacuum, inside is metal, and every window view reminds you that falling out equals instant death. Astronauts cope by micromanaging tiny, normal tasks, making coffee, labeling packets, folding Velcro straps. Routine becomes a literal life support system. Your brain latches onto tiny rituals like, if I get this coffee packet perfectly aligned, maybe I'm still sane. Space stress therapy is basically chores, with consequences. Number 5. The smell no one talks about. Yes, space smells. Like burnt metal and barbecue. Which is weird because nothing should smell in a vacuum. The scent sticks to spacesuits every time they open the airlock. Imagine floating over Earth and suddenly realizing your brain is sniffing interstellar grill marks. Cosmic air fryer vibes 24/7. Your neurons might also be judging you for thinking it's weird. Space, the only place you can smell the apocalypse cooking. Number 4. The isolation paradox. Humans are social creatures. Trapped humans are not so fun. Astronauts share their tiny metal apartment with the same 3 co-workers for 6 months. No breaks, no escape. Mirror neurons melt, tempers flare, sleep schedules spiral. NASA has conflict scripts for every possible scenario. Someone annoys you? Don't speak. Consult the protocol. Space drama is patched like software updates, but you still feel like your brain is on fire. Number 3. Sunrises that mentally break you. Every 90 minutes, the sun rises and sets and rises again. Your circadian rhythm, the thing that tells you when to sleep, is destroyed faster than a smartphone in a tub. Astronauts rely on strict schedules and artificial light cues. If they didn't, total chaos, sleepless nights, overstimulated mornings, and probably a few tiny existential crises sprinkled in. Melatonin is basically a sacred text up there. Number 2. Talking to home like it's therapy. Video calls aren't just, "Aw, hi, Mom." They're sanity anchors. Your brain needs Earth connections or it becomes a floating science ghost. Astronauts rehearse normal human banter, like actors preparing for improv night. Only the stakes are your entire mental stability. Your loved ones get updates. Your brain gets grounding. Win-win. Number 1. Ritualized cleanliness. Ever clean your room at 2 a.m. to feel like you're winning at life? Astronauts do it on steroids. Dust floats, skin flakes float, microparticles everywhere. They wipe everything like monks polishing relics, and it's surprisingly therapeutic. Cosmic housekeeping is basically mental first aid. Bonus mini fact, did you know astronauts sometimes tape their pens to the wall? Yeah, because even a pen will float away and become a lethal projectile. Every day in space is basically life hack survival, and your brain is on constant overdrive. That's all for today. I'll be making more videos like this, so subscribe if you don't want to miss them. And remember, gravity might be optional in space, but sanity is mandatory.